Hello everyone, it's me Biplav Sharma, and today I'll be teaching you how to install the Stable Diffusion XL in your Windows with NVIDIA graphics card. So let's get straight into this video. I'll provide this both link in my description. So first you have to download is the Stable Diffusion XL base model as well as Stable Diffusion XL refiner model, right? So once you click on the link, you will be redirected to the Hugging Face page. If you are visiting this page for the first time, just you have to log into this page and fill up a small short form, and within 1 or 2 minutes you will be redirected to this page. So once you are in this page, just go to the bottom, scroll to the bottom, and you will find this STXL base 0.9.save tensors, right? Just go to this small icon, download icon, and click in this icon, or right click and click on download with the IDM. Once you have downloaded this both model, this is a 6.08 GB and this is a 13.9 GB, right? Once you have downloaded this both model, you will require Comfy UI to run this both model, right? So we'll be running this both models in Comfy UI. So how to download Comfy UI? If you are using Windows, it's pretty simple. Just scroll down to the page called installing, and you will find direct link to download. Just click in this and download. Do it! Once you have downloaded all these three things, right? So all these three things, follow my step properly. So once you have downloaded this Comfy UI, just go to your local disk C and just extract this folder here, right? So just let me extract it. It will take a couple of minutes to extract.
But what the hell?
As you can see, I have successfully extracted my Comfy UI file to my local disk C. So once you have you are in this page or you are in this area, just go to Comfy UI, right, and models and checkpoints, right? Once you are in this area or in this directory, just put the downloaded checkpoints or models. Look, I have these two models which we downloaded. Just copy from here and paste to your Comfy UI models checkpoint, right? So go back to Comfy UI and run NVIDIA GPU. I'm assuming that you have NVIDIA GTX or RTX graphics card installed in your computer and you are following my procedure. So just double click here and let your Comfy UI run. So it will take a few minutes and you will be automatically redirected to Comfy UI page, right? So let's wait for its installation. As you can see, I have my Comfy UI installed, right? So this is my workflow, right? So you might not see same when you install this Comfy UI, but if you have to follow one more procedure. There is a folder called JSON folder. There is I'll put in the description the link to the JSON folder in description. This is the JSON folder I was talking about. So this is required to run the refinery model, right? If you don't want to run refinery model, it's good, you can just continue with it. But if you want to run refinery model as well, you need this workflow. So here is the link. I'll post in the description of the video and you can download it from there. So for simply just drag this workflow to here, right? And you'll see this. So I have already kept one prompt in this workflow, as you can see here, and this is the Comfy UI. Here is the refinery. Yeah, you can put the refinery here. You can put the refinery checkpoint, right? So I have kept STXL refinery 0.9 tensors, and you can put here the base model, right? You can put here the base model STXL base 0.9. So you can adjust for the base model, you can adjust here, right? And for the refinery one, you can just adjust here, and you can just drag and drop each of these anywhere you like. you can just customize your design, right? I'll be using Euler. You can choose any sampler here, and the sampling steps will be like 60, right? I'll increase it to 60. I'll just increase it to 1024, right? 1024. And same here, I'll be increasing the steps to 60 for the refinery as well. And you can just play with the denoising or anything. So just you can, after you are done with this simple setup, just you can add to cube prompt. So if you want to create multiple images, just you click on this extra option and just you can increase the batch count to up to 100, right? So let's wait for the image to be generated. So I'll meet you once the images are generated.
This is the future.
So here you can see our image has been generated successfully. So this is the image without the refiner. Let me open it for you. Right? It's lagging a bit. So it has details, as you can see, and let me show you the image with refining. Okay, with refiner. So the prompt I used, I'll show you the prompt as well. If you want the prompt, I'll paste it in the description. So this is the actual prompt which I used. Right now, you can also test this Comfy UI with Stable Diffusion XL according to your needs. So yeah, happy using Stable Diffusion, and this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. Yeah, if you thanks for watching. If you like this video, please follow us in our Instagram, or if you have any questions regarding how to install in Mac or how to install in Google Colab, if you want the video on how to install this Stable Diffusion XL in Google Colab, I'll definitely try to put it. Just you can scan either of the QR, either this, and redirect to our Instagram page, or we can just put this prompt_artistry and get redirected to our Instagram page, and you can chat for the collab as well as for your questionnaire and answers as well. So thank you for watching. This is for today. Have a nice day.